Jump on a pool from some platform or trampoline, doing acrobatic movements that are rated by judges. Wins the one who accumulates the bigger sum of points. The male uniform is trunks, and the female one is swimwear. Men jump 6 times and women 5 times. Every single movement is analyzed, and every fail is counted. The silhouette formed by the athlete in the motion is assessed, and the more modeled, highest score. If the jump is with head entry, hands and arms must be aligned with the head, and be the first part of athlete's body to have contact with water. If the jump is with feet entry, athlete's toes must be the first. 7 judges give score in the individual proof and 11 in the synchronized. Scores go from 0 to 10. The highest and lowest are discarded. The remaining are added and multiplied according to the difficulty of the jump. Athletes are rated by presentation, approved departure, execution, and entry into the water. In case of the jump, signing is rated 2. Approach. Athletes steps on the platform or trampoline as a preparing to jump before they do it. Entry. Moment when the athlete enters into the water, with less water splashing possible. Exit. The highest height reached by the athlete during the jump.